Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to find the hidden key in your car key fob. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have my key fob for my 2017 Honda CR-V right here, and there's no key on it. When you get into the truck, it's keyless entry. To start the truck is keyless, so there's no key that you can see. And if you look at an older car key, I'll bring out another car key right now. I actually have an older Mazda key fob right here. For this one, you can unlock the car through the key fob, but then you start the car with a key, right? So there's access to a key. So how do you get to the key on a modern key fob like this? Well, what you want to do is you want to figure out how to bring it out from within the key fob. If you look at the key fob, there's likely going to be a lever or a switch or a button somewhere, usually on the back. So if we look right here on the back of the car key fob, you can see right here there's a little switch. And there's a little tiny, small, teensy-weensy arrow pointing that way. So if I slide this way and I hold it there, okay, I can actually pull out a hidden key. Check that out. So right here is the hidden key for the key fob. And pretty much all of the key fobs, for the most part, I'm going to say the vast majority of key fobs have a key somewhere within them. You just have to figure out how to get it out of there. And if your key fob dies and you need to get into the car, you still need the key. So you need to take the key out, the hidden key from the key fob, and then you can use it to unlock the door and get inside the vehicle. Okay? When you want to put it back in place, usually you just have to sort of slide it back in and it should click. And just give it a pull to make sure it's not going to come out. Once again, for this one, you slide this and then you pull out the hidden key just like that. In most vehicles, the hidden key for the key fob can be accessed in basically the same way, but it might be a switch or a lever or a button. It's going to be something that you have to maneuver, and then you can slide out the hidden key. That's it. That is how to find it. And like I said, if your key fob dies, the battery on your car key fob dies, and you want to get into your vehicle, you're going to have to gain access to this hidden key that I'm showing you how to get. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.